Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial. Today we will learn label encoder. Now in previous tutorial we learned the imputer class. Now what that does is it converts the not a number missing value data into into the average of that particular column. So we actually filled the missing value. So in this case the second column has this 38.77, previously had a not a number missing value, but then we transform it into the average of this particular column. So we fill that data with the average of that column using the imputer class. Now we need to use the label encoder, and what for? Here the first column has its value as France, Spain, Germany. So these are called the categorical data. So whenever our machine learns it in or uses it in the regression part, it would find it inappropriate to deal with this particular first column, which are called the categorical data. So we need to convert it into the numerical values. The second and the third column are already into the numeric form, but this is the categorical form. So this country is the categorical column, and the data it consists is called the categorical data. So we need to convert it into the numerical form. So we would use the label encoder to convert this particular first column, the categorical data, into the numeric data, and we just need to call the functions, and rest all the part will be performed by the functions itself. We need to just call the functions, and all the part would be performed by the function itself. So first we need to make an object. So LBL is the object, and object of the label encoder class. Okay, first we need to import it. So, and it's from the same module, the sklearn.preprocessing. So we'll just add it here, label encoder. Okay, we are good to go. Now here we have made the object of it. Let's run it. Okay, great. Now we need to just fit it and transform it. So in imputer we actually specify two different lines, but here we would do it in the same line. So fit transform. Okay, so what would it do? It would first fit the column, the first column. We need to specify here the first column. So here X is the data set. We are using all the rows, and in column we need to just transform only the first column. So here only the first column should be specified. Okay, so it would first fit it into the label encoder object and then transform it. So both the things are done in the same function call. Okay, so it would transform it, but this need to be stored. This first column is transformed, but it need to be overwritten. It will need to be stored. So where it need to be stored? Same, the first column itself. So we would just store it here, all the rows, there's the first column, and we are good to go. Oh sorry, there's a mistake here. Okay, done. Now let's see the X. Wonderful. So it converted the first categorical data into numeric values. So 0, you see here 0 represents France. Now 2 represents Spain, and first represents Germany. So wherever in the column, wherever France comes, it would be replaced by 0. Spain would be replaced by 2, and Germany would be replaced by 1. So thank you for watching this video. Next time we would perform and study one hot encoder, which is the extended version of the label encoder. Thank you.